about selling your home and looking into kind of renovating, but just not sure where to start, there's a couple things you can do that are not major renovations and won't cost you a ton of money. So the first place I would start is cleaning the whole house and then replacing all of the hardware and lighting fixtures. So this will give you a chance to upgrade the bulbs for all of your lighting. That will make a huge difference. And you can find lighting fixtures that will be cohesive throughout the house and will just make everything look a little bit more fresh and new. The hardware will be replacing all handles on anything as far as cabinets in the kitchen, cabinets in the bathroom, any drawers you have, any closets that have any types of doors or anything like that, replacing the doorknobs. These are all very cheap and easy do-it-yourself projects, and this will definitely make the house look a little bit newer and more. The next thing I would recommend is landscaping. So just updating your landscaping. It doesn't have to be anything huge, but your curb appeal is going to be the first thing that will get people into your door. So how it looks on the outside will give them their first impression of if they like this home or not. So you need to make sure that you can get them inside the home. And an easy way you can do that is by adding a couple new plants, add some flowers, add new bark chips if you need to, whatever you have that you're working with, just make it look a little bit newer and more intentional. And lastly, it's always helpful to paint. Painting all the walls to make sure that everything is nice and clean and new. I would recommend either white or a very light gray, because that is much more neutral and that is what everything seems to be trending towards. Thanks.